Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today as we explore a simple yet essential word in the English language: bed. Now, what is a bed? A bed is a piece of furniture that we use to sleep on. It's one of those everyday items that plays such a big role in our lives, but we often don't think much about it. Let's talk about some synonyms for bed. A common synonym is cot, which is often used for a lightweight, portable type of bed, like one you might use while camping. Another synonym is bunk, often used when describing a bed in a dormitory or on a ship. For example, you might say, "The campsite had a simple cot for each camper," or "The sailors rested in their bunks after a long day." On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms for bed. Words like floor or ground come to mind because they describe places where you might sleep if you didn't have a bed. For example, we forgot the tent and had to sleep on the ground under the stars. Notice how these words highlight the lack of a bed and give the sentence a very different feel. In everyday life, we use the word bed in so many ways. You might hear phrases like, "I'm going to bed early tonight," or "Don't forget to make your bed before leaving for school." It can even pop up in idioms, such as, "You've made your bed, now lie in it," which means you have to accept the consequences of your actions. Let's look at a few more examples. She bought a new bed for her bedroom, and it's incredibly comfortable. The hotel room had a large bed with soft pillows. After a long day, nothing feels better than lying down in your own bed. See how versatile and useful this word is. To wrap things up, we've learned that a bed is an essential piece of furniture for sleeping, with synonyms like cot and bunk, and antonyms like floor and ground. It's a word you'll encounter daily, whether in conversations or idiomatic expressions. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word bed and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.